Thanks for watching this, everybody. My name is Josh. I'm with Champion Contracting, and I wanted to show you a project that we completed in Kokomo, Indiana. We had this project, and it was a fire damage project. And right now we are, in this video currently, we are painting, and I wanted to show you the before and then the after. This is the second bedroom that you just saw. This right here is the bathroom, which we had to create subfloors, and we had to build a tub shower surround that was not currently there. The kitchen, we're going to do cabinets, flooring, countertops, and that's the great room. This is the bathroom, again, that we had to redo some of the floors. You see that there. And then we have framing that we did for the tub and shower surround. Just a few pictures of the progress. We had to build stairs for the basement. Again, this was a fire damaged product home that we have to redo. We're doing Shaw resilient floors in the kitchen, which are LVP waterproof, so there would be no damage to the floors if something happens to spill. And there goes some of the progress for the cabinets. And we will cover these floors with cardboard so that way nothing gets damaged in the process of final construction. Just some more progress on the kitchen there. We did a tile backsplash. Countertops are in at this point. Excuse the mess, it's under construction. We did the electrical finishes for this particular home. When we get into new construction, sometimes other people do the work and you have to go back and trace to make sure everything is in the right areas. After this, we've done the trim and the doors at this particular setting, and wanted to give you a picture of the progress of that. This kind of makes the home look more like a home. It is not yet a home, but it looks more like a home with the trim and the doors being installed. This is bedroom 2. This is carpet day. Carpet day makes the home look more like a home. This is the basement, which will be done at a later date, but this is the bedroom. That is a great room right here. There's a great room here. And we're looking at the hallway, and now we're going to turn left and go into the second bedroom. Second bedroom downstairs. And then when you go forward, you'll have the mechanical room, which is heating, the water heater, the washer and dryer, and obviously the electrical service panel, which was installed before we got there. Here's the finished product. We put LVP at the front entry so that way nobody's wet shoes would damage the carpet. You guys, let me know what you think. I think we did a pretty good job for the homeowner, and I want to hear some comments, feedback, questions on what we did, whether we could have done it better. Again, this is Champion Contracting. We're out of Indianapolis, Indiana. You can reach us at 317-585-3995, or you can reach us on the web, thecontractingchamps.com, or you can catch us on Facebook, Built by Champion, Instagram, Built by Champion, TikTok, Built by Champion. All the links will be in the description. Give us a comment, like it, let us know what you think.